Morning everyone. Today I will talk about microfilaria. Microfilarial worm are parasite nematodes, slender thread-like worm, which are transmitted by the white of blood-sucking insect that dwell within lymphatic and subcutaneous tissue of up to 170 million people worldwide. Let me come in introduction. Filariasis is the term for a group of disease caused by the parasitic nematodes. Filariasis caused by the nematodes that live in the human lymph system, Bancroftian filariasis or lymphatic filariasis. Causative organ filarial worm, Wucheria bancrofti, COVID 1877. Elephantiasis is the end result of disease. Cutaneous and subcutaneous tissue enlarge and harden in area where lymph has accumulated. This usually occurs in the extremity. Lower extremity मतलब scrotum, testes, lymphatitis. Origin lymphatic filariasis, also known as Bucheria bancrofti and Brogia malai, Brogia timuri. Common age with bancrofti filaria. Bancrofti demonstrated adult female and Savitro 8080 first found adult male. Monsoon also in 1878 first demonstrated the Culex mosquito as the intermediate host. Lymphatic filariasis, this is a microfilaria seated micro. Tail end is a nuclei not extended up to the tail tip. Also known as Bucheria bancrofti. Geographical distribution is a very widespread and important human parasite in one country in Africa, Mediterranean and East-based coastal area, in Asia, coast of Arabia, India, Malaya and north of China. Habitat of the filarial worm inhabit the lymphatic vessels, especially the lymph nodes of man and other vertebrates. Microfilaria are found in peripheral blood, also found in thyroid, urine and hydrogen flow. Morphology of the Bucheria bancrofti, uh, teen portion divided by adult worm, microfilaria, first stage larva, third stage of larva. Adult worm it is a long hair like transparent nematodes, uh, creamy white in color, uh, filiform in shape, both ends are tapering. Uh, Male 2.54 centimeter in length and 0.5 mm thickness. Male tail end is a curved ventally contain two spicules. Then female 8 to 10 centimeter length and 0.2 to 0.3 mm thickness. Male form tail end is narrow and abruptly pointed. Ovoviviparous to liberating active embryo. Male and female remain coiled together usually in the abdominal and inguinal lymphatics and in the testicular tissue. The female worm is a viviparous and directly liberated seated microfilaria into lymph. The adult worm lives for many years, 10 to 15 years and more than. Then the microfilaria has a colorless, translucent body with a blunt head and pointed tail. Microfilaria is a first stage larva location the peripheral blood and often hydrogen fluid and chylous urine. Microfilaria size is 244 to 296 micrometer in length and 7.5 to 10 micrometer in diameter. Microfilaria body transparent and colorless covered by hyaline cells. They can live up to 7 days in human blood. Microbial periodicity. This is a nocturnal periodicity present in high number in peripheral blood at midnight. Example for Brogia malai. Diurnal periodicity present in greatest number in peripheral blood during daytime. Example for Loa Loa. Then non-periodic when the microfilaria circulate the day and night on pura bulbulus. The microfilaria found in the capillary and blood vessels of lungs during the period when they are not present in peripheral blood. Third stage of larva, infective form of the filarial worm in human, shape elongated and filiform. The granules not extended up to the tip of the tail and stigmate. Features of Microfilaria bancrofti. Size 1.4 to 2 micrometer in length and 18 to 23 micrometer in breadth. Now coming next, life cycle. Uh, Life cycle: two host, definitive host and intermediate host. Definitive host, man in human lymphatic system. Intermediate host is that is a mosquito. Culex, Culeus fascicatus, Anopheles and Aedes. So here is a life cycle of Wucheria bancrofti. Cycle in two hosts, man and mosquito. Wucheria bancrofti, the third stage larva, inoculated wide of the blood-sucking mosquito. Then male fertilize the female. Microfilaria discharged by the gravid female and is then develop blood lymphatics and mechanical blockage. This adult form in microfilaria blood nocturnal periodicity. Then diagnostic stage present of the peripheral blood smear microfilaria. Microfilaria, then development in the mosquito. Mosquito takes up microfilaria during a blood meal. Undergoes in the infective form man. Then the development in mosquito. Third stage of larva in mosquito. Then settle down in the lymph nodes. Infection with the parasite is named Buchidasis, commonly called filariasis, Bancroftian filariasis. Mode of infection: inoculated method through the bite of mosquito. Transmitting agent to female mosquito Culex aedes anopheles. Infective larva form third stage larva. Portal of entry skin penetrate, reach the lymphatic channel, settle down usually in dual scrotal abdominal lymph nodes. Site of localization: lymphatic system of superior or inferior extremity. Incubation period about 1 to 2 years. Third stage infected larva grow to adult form. Clinical manifestation is a lymphatic two-form lymphatic filariasis and occult filariasis. Lymphatic filariasis is endemic, normal, asymptomatic stage, acute filariasis, chronic filariasis, and non-filarial nephritis. Occult filaria. Occult filaria, it is due to hypersensitivity reaction to microfilaria antigens. Then tropical pulmonary eosinophilia, mm, manifestation of occult filariasis. Lymphatic filariasis endemic, normal. In the area of endemic filariasis, a certain proportion of the population living in these areas do not show any overt clinic manifestation of disease. Difficult to know people are infected or not. Asymptomatic stage The most common lymphatic filariasis and asymptomatic microfilariaemia, acute adenolymphadenitis in chronic lymphatic diseases. Asymptomatic stage have microfilaria in their blood but do not show any symptoms of disease. Remain asymptomatic for year or even life disease including hematuria and proteinuria that dilated lymphatics. Acute filariasis, acute adenolymphadenitis is characterized by high fever, lymphatic inflammation, and transient local edema. Then major symptoms lymphadenitis, inflamed lymph vessels, see red streak skin may occur several times a year. Lymphadenitis, lymphedema, lymphangiovarics, this is a dilation of lymph vessels. Chronic filariasis. Chronic filariasis is a hydrocele obstruction of the lymph vessels of spermatic cord and inflammation in tasted. Uh, Inflammatory tasted of epidermis, the fluid usually clear and straw color but may sometimes see cloudy, milky and hemorrhagic. Hydrocele is the largest reported hydrocele weight over 100 kilograms. That is a second is elephantiasis. Elephantiasis, this is a delay sequel to repeat lymphangitis, obstruction and lymphedema, in which Bravely edema, growth of new advanced tissue, thickened skin, crack and fissure. With a secondary bacterial and fungal infection, commonly seen in leg but to involve other parts of the body. The surface of skin rough and papulomatous, hair become rough and sparse. Then non-filarial elephantiasis, lymphoparesis and varicosity of lymphatic vessels, abdominal and genital area, chyluria, escape of chyle through the urine, rupture of varicose chyle vessels. Microfilaria are detected in chylosis, urine and peripheral blood. So, chyluria also known as uh, rupture of the uh, uh, chi- rupture of the chylosis. Then Occult filariasis. Occult filariasis result of hypersensitivity reaction to the microfilarial antigen, not directly due to lymphatic involvement. Host to microbial filarial antigen. Microfilaria are not detected in peripheral blood. Example for tropical pulmonary eosinophilia. Less frequently arthritis. Ocular filariasis reported to causes arthritis, glomerulonephritis, thrombophlebitis. Lymphatic filariasis are absent classical features. Then a tropical pulmonary eosinophilia, eosinophilic lungs, Wingerton syndrome, also known as Ocular filariasis is present with low-grade fever, loss of weight, paroxysmal cough with scanty sputum, dysnopia, and splenomegaly. It is just X-ray show motley shadow, similar to the mild tuberculosis. Uh, mild tuberculosis associated with a high level of serum immunoglobulin E and filarial antibodies. Microfilariae may be demonstrated in tissue obtained by lung biopsy. That is, a serological test with filarial antigen are usually strongly positive. Diagnosis of the Bucheria Benford T, direct evidence and indirect evidence. Two type. Direct evidence detection of microfilariae. The microfilariae appear in large number in peripheral blood at night. Blood film should be made in night between 10 a.m. and 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. In peripheral blood smear prepared thick and thin smear. Thick smear is dehemoglobinized and smear stained with Jimta stain. In hydrosil fluid and adult worm. Adult worm in biopsy includes and calcified worm by X-ray. This is a concentration technique, member filtration technique, and sedimentation technique that help to detect microfilaria in the blood. That is indirect indirect evidence. Allergic test, hypersensitivity test, blood examination, eosinophilia 5 to 15%, then 5 to 15%, then allergic reaction to antigen. And serological test enzyme like ELISA, IFT, or indirect hemagglutination test detection of antibodies to larval antigens. A sensitive test for loesis and occult filariasis. Other tests in biopsy for purely diagnostic purpose, serological diagnosis, ELISA and RIA, biotest detection of adult form infection, not depends on microfilarial periodicity. ICT filariasis card test, rapid filarial antigen test, then PCR assay based on detection of microfilarial infection, X-ray examination. X-ray examination show calcified adult worm. ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ द बुचेरिया बेनफ्रोटी डाई ethyl carba में जाएंगे. Is the drug of choice. It is given orally in doses of that is kills mainly microfilariae, most effective against third and fourth stage larva. Adenolymphanagitis decrease significantly. That is cheap and effective, safe with two side effects, fever, chill and headache. That is a dosage first day 15 milligram after food, second day 50 milligram 3 times daily, third day 100 mg 3 mg 3 times daily, fourth day to the first day 5 mg per kg per day in 3 divided doses. Other drugs such as ivermectin 150 microkg per kg body weight destroy microfilariae. No microfilariae real effect. Dajol Center Pricing CDR Center Drug Research Institute. Prevention and control. That is DDT malation. A film of oil may be sprayed over water surface. Then larvae virus may be added to the ponds. Improvement and sanitary condition. That is erection of the vector mosquito. Pyroxene oil removal of Pistia plant. Mainly restricted to control the Mansonia mosquito leading to Brogia filariasis. That is a Brogia malai. Brogia malai name is a frog who is described new type of microfilaria in the blood of native in Sumatra. Common name is Malayan filaria, typically host cats in primates. That is a vector Mansonia, also Aedes and Anopheles. That is geographical distribution India. India then Odisha, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Assam. They can coexisting with Bucheria. Morphology of the Brogia malai, seated microfilary, that is nuclei is blood nuclei. Two nuclei present in the tail tip, shape of the rectangular head space, several angulations in the body. The malai is two nuclei at the tail tip, one terminal and other terminal. Body of the Bugia malai nucleated blood and squages together. Cephalic space longer than broad. Then two stylus. Body of Brogia malai curved, small, irregular and kinky. Diagnostic stage of the Brogia malai. Um, Ecridine orange coated microhematocrit tube. Microhematocrit tube also use a microhematocrit capillary tube method. Using this slender capillary tube, collected the blood sample. Close the capillary tube, inserted the fluid inside, and then centrifuge the blood sample and just put up the capillary tube. Under the fluorescence microscopy, seen the WBC and RBC. That phenomena is occurred in orange coated microhematocrit tube. Microfilary antigen detection, ELISA and immunochromatography. PCR based assay can detect one microfilarian per milli of blood. Treatment of the Brugemal line, diethyl carbamazine 6 mg per kg for 12 days. Subcutaneous filariasis, absolutely connective tissue of the man. The common name for Loa is the eye worm, African eye worm. The worm is restricted distribute rainforests of West and Central Africa. About 10 million people are affected. The adult worm lies subcutaneous connective tissue of man, also known as the subcontinental tissue of the eye. Definitive host male, intermediate host female of Caryopsis. Infective form for man, third stage larva, habitat of the adult subcutaneous connective tissue and subconjunctival tissue of eye. Tapeworm of the eye, corneal conjunctive tissue, the eye worm. Also known as a Louisiasis. Louisiasis adult vendor in the subcutaneous tissue, also known as a fugitive or calabar swelling. Calabar swelling is a painless edematous swelling 5 to 10 cm due to HSR. Then that is characterized from hypersensitivity reaction appear for 2 hours per day, reappear as well. That is a fever, itching, edema of the eyelids and proptosis. Generalized pruritus, diagnosis of the Loa, that is eosinophilia, high eosinophilia associate. Depend upon the demonstration of microfilary peripheral blood during the daytime. Peripheral blood smear, then a Gemsa stain detection, eye of calabar swelling, seated microfilaria in the blood. Diurnal periodicity 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. PCR PCR based assay can detect 1 microfilaria per milligram per day. Treatment of the lower lower diethyl carbamazine 2 to 6 mg per kg for 2 to 4 weeks.